It's basic, it's bland, it's Billy.
Oh, Billy.
This ubiquitous bookcase is basic by design. The streamlined Scandinavian aesthetic fits in any room. While this bookcase can blend into the background, it's more fun to personalize it. Stick around to see how my bookcase has turned out. I recommend you assemble the bookcase first, so you can see where your design will line up with the shelves. Before you reach this step, pimp that backing. All your magazines, posters, flyers, and ads were designed by professional graphic designers. Give their work new life. It doesn't have to go out with recycling. Tear out magazine spreads and collect your graphics. You could also buy a roll of wallpaper if that's your style. Here's another interesting product. The mirror finish on this tape can add a cool, unexpected element. Lay out your graphics on top of the backing to quickly try different designs. You can use the cardboard from the IKEA box to draw your layout if that helps. Once your design is finalized, use a spray adhesive like this to glue paper to the Billy backing. A light coating helps those thin magazine pages lay flat and smooth. If you use tape or peel and stick wallpaper, you can skip the spray adhesive. Before you know it, you'll have a tall work of art ready to attach to the back of the bookcase. Finish those infamous IKEA instructions, and you've pimped your bookcase. Tap that like button and share this episode of Pimp My Bookcase with friends in need of a style upgrade. Thanks for watching.